How to avoid copyright issues with public domain remixes. Imagine creating a remix that everyone loves, but then facing a copyright claim that stops your project in its tracks. That can be frustrating, but with the right steps, you can stay safe. First, you need to be sure the original work is truly in the public domain. Public domain means the copyright has expired or the creator has given up rights, so anyone can use it freely. Remember, the public domain status applies to the original composition, like the music or lyrics, not necessarily to recordings of that work. Many sound recordings are still protected even if the song itself is free to use. To be safe, check the copyright laws in your country. In the United States, works published before 1928 are public domain as of 2025. For sound recordings, the Music Modernization Act of 2018 changed things. Recordings published before 1923 are now in the public domain since 2022. Recordings after that date are gradually entering the public domain over time. Always verify the specific publication date and whether the recording is protected. Avoid using copyrighted sound recordings in your remix unless you have permission. Instead, record your own version of the public domain work. This way, you own the sound recording and avoid infringing on someone else's rights. If you want to use a recording made by someone else, make sure it has also entered the public domain or has a license that allows remixing. Be cautious about trademarks. If your remix includes brand names, logos, or artist trademarks, you could face legal issues. Do not use protected trademarks without permission. If you plan to distribute your remix online, consider licensing options like Creative Commons licenses. These licenses specify what you can and cannot do with the work, making sure you're legally covered. Keep records of your research, including where you checked the public domain status and any permissions you sought. This documentation can help if someone questions your rights later. Remember, the main risk comes from using copyrighted recordings, not the original composition. By confirming public domain status, creating your own recordings, and respecting trademarks, you can make remixes that are both fun and legally safe.